about the Maryville couple who died while on vacation in the Bahamas. Robbie and Mike Phillips were found dead May 6th at the Sandals Emerald Bay Resort.
Raya Katane is in the studio to explain the risks of carbon monoxide poisoning while traveling out of the country. Raya.
Good morning. Abby and Heather, authorities in the Bahamas say what happened to Robbie and Mike was, quote, an isolated incident, but the resort says it is now installing carbon monoxide detectors in all guest rooms. The Phillips tragic death is a reminder of the risk that carbon monoxide poses. According to the CDC, the gas doesn't have a color or smell, making it virtually impossible to detect. But there are things you can do to protect yourself while traveling. First, make sure the hotel or Airbnb you're staying at has carbon monoxide detectors. You can also bring a battery-operated portable one with you. Staying in well-ventilated rooms where you can open the windows also helps. And finally, make sure you know where the fire exits are so you can escape easily if you need to. A Knoxville travel advisor recommends researching the place you're staying at and ensuring it is well established.
A reputable, well-established, long-time resort, they're going to take care of things as much as they can, and they have a reputation to protect also.
Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include a headache, dizziness, nausea or vomiting, and shortness of breath or blurred vision. If you do feel any of those, get medical help right away. Abby and Heather, back to you.
All right.